Hello everyone, I'm Alex from Natural Beauty Fence, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to adjust your PVC gate if it is not opening and closing smoothly. This is a very common problem. You close this gate and it doesn't want to latch. You kind of have to lift it up like that just to get it in. Here's how you fix it. You're going to need a wrench. If your gate has two piece hinges similar to this one, you're going to be able to maneuver them by simply moving the nuts on either side of the hinge. You have to keep in mind which direction you're moving the gate. So for example, if I move this nut over this way, the gate is going to tilt this way. If I move it over this way, it's going to sink further down. And the same thing goes for the bottom hinge. I can kick the bottom out toward the left, or I can kick the bottom out toward the right, depending on which way I move those nuts. In this case, the latch rod is hitting the bottom of the latch here, and you have to lift it up to get it closed. So I want this part of the gate to go up. So in order to do that, I'm simply going to move this nut over to the right, and then I'm going to tighten by moving this nut. And this is going to tilt the whole top of the gate up toward the right. Now we're going to try again. It closes better, but still I need to go a little bit more. Alright, now we're going to give it another shot. A lot better. I'm going to do it just a little bit more, because we want this gate to close smoothly. Give it one more shot. And there you go. That is the easy way to adjust a PVC gate. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials.